How are you dealing with shoulder pain and you don't know how to treat it? I'm Dr. Wadsworth, chiropractor here at Uintah Spine Health. And I'm going to show you what adjustments we do to help treat the shoulder and get the shoulders to move better with any adjustments that we do. We're going to look at adjusting the neck, upper back, the shoulder, and the collarbone of the shoulder. So it really sets the collarbone of the shoulder. We're going to bring this arm up here, just kind of relax here. I want to feel this collarbone where it comes up to the sternum. If we can get this collarbone to move well, this joint itself right here, it's a very key joint in the shoulder, or for the shoulder complex. If we check some movement and make sure it is moving well. If we feel like it's stuck or it's just not moving as functional as it should, then I'll show you an adjustment for that there. Again, it's just a palpation of how we can assess the shoulder and the collarbone, because it's a big component to it. Here, and again, any movements in the neck, in the lower part of the neck, especially that neck where it connects with the upper back, and upper back here, and then your ribs, or the shoulder blade is laying on. So we want to lean your back. So a couple ribs here. Adjust this upper back here. We're going to cross your arms there. Good. Now for this collarbone, for the shoulder itself, I'm going to apply this little drop piece underneath it. Okay, this arm's right there. So I'm going to roll this right there. Good. So I'm going to apply this little drop piece underneath the shoulder. Arm's going to rest right here. This hand just kind of rests there. To adjust this collarbone, this SC joint, the joint right here, where the collarbone gets to your sternum. Put my hand right over it. Pop this up here. I'm going to pull across, kind of distract this way, get some movement into the shoulder. Those are some simple adjustments that need to happen to help the shoulder, the collarbone, the upper back. If we need the shoulder joint itself, there's some little drop pieces that we can use for that, and the neck as well. But if you're dealing with shoulder pain and you've been working on it and maybe it's not getting better, maybe some adjustments are needed to help with that. So come on in, we'll do this and we'll get things better this way.